Otherwise, you have to create the Spring Initializer project. Then you need to do download. You have to import in the Eclipse. So many things you need to do. So here, what are the packages we need to build first? We need to build entities. Entities is nothing, your class names. For example, I want to create a student information, though you have to create a student entity. If you want to build a product information, you need. So what I'll do is quickly I'll create the packages first. So you need to create the package inside src main Java. Just open it. You can see here, this is what my package name, which I have created just before. You should not create the package directly inside src main Java. So with the help of the column annotation, you can explicitly specify what column you want in the backend. So I specify this time stu underscore name. That's it. So after that, we have created getters and setters and constructor. Hope you all clear this much. That's it. This is what entity. So the entity class I'm going to copy. I'll go to paste inside the DTO. That's it. So here, let me rename my entity class student DTO. Let me quickly create a table here to. So here, I'll write my function. So function name is load student is my function name, right? So inside the function, I'm going to use the method name. Any doubt, guys? Okay. So quickly, we'll create only one login page. Then we can wind up this session. Okay, I'll go back to my Spring.